everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda if you're new here, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to me. I make videos every week. This week I want to show you a couple tricks, tips, and hacks on how to save money on home decor. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to show you is these DIY mason jar lights. So I'm using a pre-existing light fixture that was in my home, and these are the bulbs I'm going to use. It's the vintage ones, and this is what I have taken down from my light fixture. Now I'm going to take my mason jars and I'm going to take the lid off and take the inside out, and I'm going to trace around that screw part that came off my fixture in the center of my lid. I got this drill bit that is exactly the same size as that hole that I traced. We're going to take this outside and we're going to take some little nails, a hammer, and your screwdriver, of course, and start putting those nails into your lid to hold it down. I did 3, but you can use as many as you would like. Now we're just going to go ahead and screw that center part out. It's okay if it's a little uneven, but if you're a perfectionist, then make sure that you get it spot on. Now take those nails out, and here we go. Now all you do is put it right back up there, and your masterpiece is done. This literally cost me under $25 to make because I used my pre-existing fixture. Now I'm going to show you how to save money on curtains. I bought 3 panels and I'm going to cut them in half. Now what you're going to want to do is serge or zigzag the edges and hem them over. Just for 3 of them costed me $120, so I decided to split them in half to save money. This is what they look like straight down, but I rather them look like this. I just tie a little knot and it hems them for me, and it just makes it look more, I don't know, cute. Now I'm going to show you a super easy curtain hack, and it is to get your command hooks. You put the command hooks where you need the rods to be, and this cheap little rod that I got from Target, and you put that up there, and ta-da, you do not have to drill into your door or wherever you need to hang something. So this is super easy and super fast. Next up is my rug hack. What I did was went to the thrift store and found a baby crochet blanket, folded it in half, and put it on my bathroom floor. I did not have to pay no more than $2 for this thrifted crochet blanket. My last little trick is to show you how to upgrade your outside sitting by just covering the seats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean all the surfaces of this table. And what I'm using today is this vinyl for outside and my fabric of choice. You're going to take the seat off your seats. Now we're going to do like I showed you in my last video, and we're going to cut out fabric that's bigger than what your seat is and staple it on. I'm showing you how to do the corner. You just pull that center up, staple it, and fold the edges in nice and taut. Now to make it outside and weatherproof, I'm just going to cover it with vinyl, so I'm doing the same exact thing for my vinyl. And here it is. All you have to do is screw it back on, and you have now upgraded your seating outside for very cheap. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you liked me, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.